Installing your ArmorSuit Full Body Military Shield. The package includes a spray bottle, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, the military shield, and instructions. First, turn off your device to prevent any possible damage. Check to make sure you have washed, clean, dry hands and a clean, dust-free environment. Clean your device using the microfiber cloth. Identify the cutouts and know where they will fit. Evenly spray on top of the military shield. Before peeling off the shield, spray your fingertips. Use your moistened fingertips to peel the military shield off. Then evenly spray the adhesive side. Position the adhesive side face down on your device and slide it around to match all cutouts and edges. Check to make sure the cutouts are in the right place. Hold down the shield and starting from the center, slide the squeegee across the shield in an outward motion. Reposition to make sure it's still in place. Turn it around and continue pushing out all of the solution and air bubbles. Spray on top of the military shield to make it easier for the squeegee to slide across. Fold down and adhere the edges to all four sides of the device. Then wrap the thin corner strips along the curved edge. These four corners or round parts will need some time to dry in order to stick. First, use the microfiber cloth to absorb leftover moisture. Set it on a flat surface overnight. We recommend 12 to 24 hours for best results. Next day, finish the corners by using your palm to apply pressure. Also, smooth out all areas as necessary. Now you are ready to clean your device. Any tiny bubbles or streaks will disappear within a few days. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit ArmorSuit.com for more information.